how to get image ID in Roblox Mobile. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Roblox application in your mobile device. Once you open the Roblox app, you want to go ahead and log into your Roblox account. So once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the more icon at the bottom right corner. Inside the more section, scroll below and then simply tap on create right over here. And once you tap on create, this is gonna open up in your screen. So from your screen, tap on this three line icon, tap on creations, and inside creation, simply tap on development items right over here. So inside development items, simply tap on images. And just like so, you'll then be able to find all your decals right over here. Select the one that you would like to get the image ID, tap on this three dot, and then you'll find two options. Go ahead and tap on copy asset ID. And just like so, you have successfully copied your image ID in Roblox Mobile. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.